Okay, so chapter 3 verbs we had solved till exercise number 6, right?
Yes, sir.
This one. Present participles we had done. ing. The children bid goodbye, weeping. The flowing river. The book went out flying. The last one was handling the pressure. So 7 we are not solving. You can cut it for now. 8 also you can cut as of now. There are total 12 exercises. Exercise 8 also we are not solving. 8, 7 and 8. Exercise 9 we will solve. So do you remember the concept of transitive and intransitive verbs? What are transitive verbs and what are intransitive verbs? Do you all remember? Am I audible or not?
Yes.
Transitive, intransitive verbs, do you all remember? In 7th we had done. याद है? Or not? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If I am audible, then why is no one answering? Okay, I'll show you what is the concept of transitive and intransitive verbs. Once again, we'll revise, then we'll solve the exercise. So I want someone to read. Who will do it?
Sir, can I?
Can I? Can I?
I,
Sir, can I?
Owen Fatima.
Yes, sir.
Read.
Transitive verbs. Transitive verbs are words that require objects to complete their meaning. The action of transitive verbs is passed on to the object in the sentence. Example A. Raj kicked the ball. B. Rama ate the bitter chocolate.
So, what are transitive verbs? Remember, all of you, transitive verbs they require object to complete their meaning. We have objects, but in intransitive verbs we do not have objects. So now, how will you find the objects? I had told you two tricks are there. You have to ask the question what or whom. Raj kicked what? Raj kicked what? Ball. So ball is the object. Rama ate what? Chocolate. So chocolate is the object. This is how you will find the object, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If you remember, continue reading.
Notice that in the both the sentences, the verbs picked and eat need objects to make complete sense. The action in these sentences passes on the objects ball, chocolate. Therefore, we can say that these are transitive verbs. Transitive verbs are of two kinds. One, monotransitive verbs take only one object. Example, Peter lifted the heavy bag. And second, differentiative verbs take a direct object and an indirect object to make complete sense. Example, give this book to me.
Okay. Was your voice breaking up or is it my network problem?
Network problem.
Means is it your network problem or mine? I don't know. Okay. Were all others able to hear her clearly?
No, sir.
No, sir. Yes, sir, it was clear.
Okay. So I hope my voice is not breaking up. Transitive verbs sometimes have one object. Sometimes they have two objects. There are two objects. One is called direct object, one is called indirect object.
नहीं आ रही है.
Okay.
No, sir, it's coming.
Okay. Transitive verbs, sometimes they take one object, sometimes they take two objects. But how will you know that what is the object in the sentence? By asking these two questions, what and whom. Sheetal lifted what? Bag. So bag object one, that is giving the answer for the question what. That is monotransitive क्योंकि ये sentence में एक ही object है. There are not two objects. But detransitive means there are two objects. See, one is direct and one is indirect. Give this book to me. Give what? When you ask the question, give what? Answer is book. तो वो direct object हुआ. Give this book to whom? किसको देनी है? Whom. So the answer is me. That is indirect object. So in this sentence there are two objects, but in this sentence there is only one object. But both these are called which type of verbs? A lifted or a give. Which type of verbs are they called? Transitive or intransitive? Because there are objects in the sentence, so it is called transitive verb. If objects are not there in the sentence, then it is called intransitive verb. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you know how will you find the object?
Yes.
Even if one object is there, you have to consider it as transitive. एक भी object नहीं है तो intransitive. Then who else had asked me for reading before Owen Fatima? Someone else had asked me.
Okay.
Who was that?
Sir, can I read?
Yes, Mariam, you read.
Intransitive verbs. Verbs that
Intransitive.
intransitive verbs. Words that do not need an object to make a complete sense is known as intransitive verbs. Example: a god
The guards arrived late.
arrived late. Arrived at verb, late adverb. B. John is a good student. Is a verb. A good student is complement.
Okay. So see, intransitive verbs कौन से? The guards arrived late. So arrived is action word, that is verb. Is there any object? ये late तो adverb हुआ. It is showing time. You ask the question what? The guards arrived what? Whom? We don't get any answer for these questions. So there is no object in this sentence. John is what? तो what का आंसर नहीं है. A good student is a compliment, means it is a quality. It is a state of being कि वो good student है. What means what is his work, what is his profession, वो क्या है नहीं दिया. John is what we don't know. Just a compliment is given that is a good student. It is his quality. It is that is called a state of being. कि वो good student है. So this is intransitive verb. You ask the question what or whom, you will not get answers. So that type of verbs are called intransitive verbs. Understood the difference between transitive and intransitive?
Okay, sir.
What okay? I am asking you. Did you understand the difference?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. Then you will be able to give the answer of exercise number 9. How many are sitting with the textbook open?
I.
I means
Misbah.
Misbah. Okay. Anyone else?
Sir, right. Kasmani Fatima.
Okay. So I will solve exercise number 9. Where is it? Now you know the difference between these two. See, I
Yes.
baked some cookies. I baked what? Cookies. So we have object. The baby laughed loudly. The baby laughed what? इसका कोई object है ही नहीं. Loudly तो adverb हुआ. So there is no object. So here laughed is intransitive verb. Here baked is transitive verb. So if there is an object, then it is transitive. If there is no object, then it is intransitive. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So we have to write T or IT for transitive and intransitive respectively. The deserted house is in ruins. The deserted house is in ruins.
Intransitive.
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 Transitive. Intransitive.
Okay. Intransitive. Next.
Intransitive. Intransitive.
Intransitive.
Try to find object. If object is there, it is transitive. Otherwise, intransitive.
Transitive.
Transitive.
Translative.
Translative नहीं है. Transitive.
Intransitive.
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 Transitive.
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 Object क्या है इसमें? Tell me what is object?
Lamb. Lamb.
Okay.
Lamp.
Lamp.
Almas is not giving answer.
Intransitive.
Transitive. Transitive.
Transitive.
Transitive.
You take screenshot and I will scroll if you want to take those who are taking screenshots.
Okay, sir.
Take
Written,
it.
sir.
Then I'll
Sir,
next.
लेने तो दो.
Ma'am, I have grammar book.
लेने तो दो. Yes, sir.
Transitive.
Wait, I'll scroll again. Those who have not taken.
Transitive.
Yes. Wait 1 minute.
Sir, I have
Okay.
grammar book.
Intransitive.
Intransitive. Intransitive. Next also intransitive.
Intransitive. Intransitive.
Intransitive. Last is transitive.
Transitive. Last.
Transitive.
Translative.
Translative नहीं है. It is transitive.
Trans.
Yes, शिफा. हाँ किया ना scroll मैंने. लाखनी.
Okay. Settle.
Otherwise, you will all start again. A sir. स्क्रीनशॉट तो लेने दो.
Sir, taken.
सर ऊपर करो.
ए सर, स्क्रीनशॉट तो लेने दो.
मैंने लिख टेक्स्ट बुक
तो सर हमने लिख लिया है.
Okay.
मैंने लिख लिया टेक्स्ट बुक में.
Now let me see how much you have understood. Those who have not given the answers, they also have to give the answer. Exercise number 10. In this sentence, we have to underline the verbs and circle the object. You have to ask the question what or whom. You will get the object. First tell me the verb and then tell me the object. So what is the verb in the first sentence?
Surrender.
Surrendered. Object?
Passport.
Passport.
Then
Laboratory.
Laborer.
verb.
Open. Open.
Object?
Kennel.
Kennel.
1 minute. These tools are not working with me properly. Okay. Next. What is the
Collect.
verb?
Collect.
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 And stamp is the verb. Object, sorry.
Stamp.
Next.
Did not like.
Did not like.
Produce.
Procedure.
Procedure.
Next.
Went.
Chased. Chased.
Went.
Chest.
Verb is criminal.
Criminal.
Verb nahi, object.
Object. Object, sorry.
Bholu studied music. This is the nickname of my brother.
Rank. Verb is the verb.
You know that? Don't tell him I told you.
Market is the object.
बोलना मत.
Music, market में.
Music.
सर इसमें भी आता है और हमारी टेक्स्ट बुक में भी अलग है.
Yes. In the textbook, I know the sentence is I went to market yesterday. So उसमें
Road.
went object है. Market is.
is bicycle.
What is the verb?
Road.
Road.
Bicycle is object.
Thank God.
सर ये
Sarah
भी
is not
नहीं
there.
है हमारी टेक्स्ट बुक में.
Sarah is not there. No? Thank God.
Sarah, sir.
No, don't call her.
गली में बोल
No. Next. The musician played the piano.
Played is the
Piano.
verb and piano is the object.
Piano is object.
Object.
सर मेरे बुक में
Played
सब
is verb and piano.
Yes, but in that
Sir,
book I will
played
give you
is
the
a-
answers. Wait. In the old book
तो
also I have in
टेक्स्ट बुक में
front
तो
of me.
नहीं है.
हाँ, थोड़े सेंटेंस अलग है उसमें. उसमें ये 3
नई
सेंटेंस
बुक
अलग
में तो
है.
है.
F, G, H. These 3 sentences are different in the new book, so you can take screenshot, no problem.
Okay.
We looked for him the entire day.
Looked.
Tired.
Sir, look subject and
Entire
entire is subject.
No. Ask the question what or whom. Then you will get object.
Entire is object.
No.
Entire.
We
Day.
looked for him what?
Day.
What का आंसर नहीं है. We looked for whom?
Him.
Him. Yes, तो indirect object है इसमें, direct object है ही नहीं. You don't have.
him.
नहीं है.
हाँ, him.
सर अब लास्ट में took.
Sir, him.
verb है और me है ना
Sir,
object.
museum.
Yes.
Sir, museum.
Museum नहीं है.
Object.
वो तो where का आंसर है. My father took me where, but we cannot ask the question where. Whom or what? So whom we get answer, that is me. That is indirect object.
सर आप क्या कर रहे हैं?
This circle is like Shifa, not adjusting.
Yes, sir.
No, like Owen Fatima.
हाँ
सर शिफा तो कहीं पे भी एडजस्ट हो जाएगी सर.
सर ओम फातिमा जी सही सेम
सर शिफा नहीं, शिफा कहीं पे भी एडजस्ट हो जाएगी.
So, did you take screenshot if you want?
return sir return
टेकन
Yes, sir. Screenshot taken.
Okay.
taken.
Let us learn about direct and indirect objects. Means I already taught this. The noun or pronoun receiving the action, that is direct object. The noun or pronoun affected by the action is indirect object. I have already taught you.
Yeah.
Lisa gave what? Notes. Notes direct object. Lisa gave her notes to me. To whom did she give? Me. So that is indirect object. बस यही दिया है और कुछ नहीं. So in exercise 11, you have to find out direct object and indirect object. But that you have to do yourself. I will just tell you how to do it. See, first one, the priest gave the devotee some fruits. So tell me, what is the verb first of all? Verb they have not asked. I am
gave
just asking you. Gave.
gave
But भी उन लोगों ने वो नहीं पूछा. They have just asked us direct and indirect object. So what is direct object?
fruits
Fruits. See, gave what? Fruits.
Fruits.
So that is direct object. And what is indirect object? Gave fruits to whom? To whom? Devotee means the followers. So the devotee is indirect object. Then in the next sentence, what is the direct object and indirect object? Just tell me that much. The stockbroker distributed the customers their documents.
customers no customer
The customers is which object? Direct or indirect?
indirect
indirect
Indirect. Direct object क्या है उसमें?
Documents.
document
Yes, they are documents. So you know how will you solve this exercise? You have to do it yourself. Answers I
Okay,
will send
sir.
it.
Yes,
First you
sir.
have to try it. First you have to try it yourself till here. The old lady bequeathed her property to the orphanage. Means she donated for a good cause.
her property
Yes.
उसमें yes, her property is direct object. The orphanage, that is indirect object.
indirect
You know what is the orphanage?
no sir
अनाथ
What? Yes.
सर मुझे कुछ
Anath,
समझ में
yes,
नहीं
अनाथ
आता है
आश्रम.
सर
सर मुझे भी.
सर मैंने काय समझ में નથી આવતું.
I have not marked the answers. Shifa का doubt था ना? Shifa, I have not marked the answers. You have to solve this yourself. Then I will send it in the group.
okay
थोड़ा तो करो. Hard work. Ready-made answers you want.
Yes, sir.
ready made
yes sir ready made तैयार
चलो now exercise 12 is the last.
12 क्वेश्चन तो कराओगे ना
Yes. But in question number 12, you know, you have to write direct or indirect object according to your choice. Means we can have more than one answer. 2, 3, 4, as many as you can think. I will write my answers, sample answers. I will write it, but I will tell you if your answers are right or not. You can write that also. And mostly, this kind of exercises are asked very less in exams, जिसमें बहुत सारे answers possible होते हैं. But still we will solve it. चलो. The usher showed us dash. Usher is the person who guides, who shows you the things when you are new to that place.
magic
म्यूजियम
magic
ये जो म्यूजियम कहाँ से आया? Who said? फातिमा said.
फातिमा
सर म्यूजियम.
म्यूजियम
शिफा को इसमें भी हंसी आती है. हे. क्या है? Still laughing. Again?
सर आप भी रोहन सर जैसा ही करते हैं
Yes.
Shifa, are you there?
Not.
yes
Shifa, remember you had called in 3rd standard when I was absent for one day? याद है? शिफा को याद नहीं होगा,
नहीं सर, आई डोंट नो।
बुलक कौन है वो?
रूहीन को याद होगा।
बुलक कौन है सर?
सर वो भी है ही।
ए बुलक
Where is Rohin, by the way? She is not attending the lecture.
बोलो सर।
Virani, Rohin.
सर ये रही बोली।
Sir, she is attending all the lectures.
But she is
Sir, I
silent
am
in all the lectures.
Sir, I am also attending all the lectures.
Yes, sir.
Faizu
I
is
am
there or not?
also.
Faizu. Okay, Faizu is
Sir, I
there.
am also.
Sir, I am also.
सर मैं भी क्या
Sir,
Yes.
Sir.
Next.
सर आप
Again started. ये मरियम ने स्टार्ट किया फिर से. सर, सर.
इसका तो डेली रूटीन है सर।
Okay. But why Almas is not speaking? I want to know.
Sara is also not speaking. Madasa is also.
Sara वो तो sometimes, but
सर मौदेसा है ही नहीं, वो बाहर गई है।
तो
okay. Here you can write the usher showed us the museum, the park, or anything, whatever you want. But which kind of object it is in number
सर
one?
मेरे
Direct or indirect?
Direct.
डायरेक्ट।
डायरेक्ट।
Yes. Just know that much. लिखना नहीं है बस ऐसे ही. The new assistant asked him dash.
अ क्वेश्चन।
अ क्वेश्चन।
Okay. You can write anything else. A query, a question, a doubt, whatever you want. That is also direct object. Next.
The professor returned them.
Their file।
हर पेपर्स।
Their files।
Their
Their
files, their
papers.
papers, their documents.
आएगा।
Sorry?
कुछ नहीं।
But write something valid. I gave the
I
balloon
gave the balloon
to
dash.
Misbah. I gave the balloon to Misbah for playing.
Oh,
थैंक यू सर, आपने मुझे बलून दिया। मैं
You
दिया तो नहीं।
still play with.
हाँ सर, खेल सकते हैं।
सिफा है ना, जानबूझ कर हंसती है, नहीं हंसी आई तो भी. Again, see?
सबको एंटरटेन करने के लिए।
Yes, it is good, and so I am allowing it.
Have you
Other teachers might scold.
Have you sent dash my lunch?
In
Have you
my
sent me? Means मुझे send किया. Have you sent me my lunch?
no.
No.
Why? Send me at 12.
सर हम
No,
ज्यादा
sir.
वो नहीं खाते।
One day you should send
तीन
the
बजे
lunch
खाते।
for your teacher. Why can't you?
Okay sir।
How many of you? But how many of you know
3
cooking?
बजे भेज देंगे आपको।
Sir,
How many
sir,
of you know
me.
cooking?
Me. Sir,
सबको आती होगी सर।
Which sabji can you make?
सर खिचड़ी आती है।
Rice, noodles. Yes, sir. All non-veg items.
All non-veg.
મને ખીચડી આવડે
But
છે.
I will ask for veg. Then will you be able to make?
Yes sir, खिचड़ी।
Yes, sir.
खिचड़ी।
सर आप वेज ही खाते हो।
મને ખીચડી આવડે છે.
बिरयानी बनानी आती है किसी को?
Yes, but बनाई नहीं है।
बिरयानी. Yes. Okay. My friends
आपको
are
खिचड़ी
watching
आती है?
dash.
टेलीविजन,
Sir,
टेलीविजन,
watching
टेलीविजन,
dash.
टेलीविजन, 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 टेलीविजन।
Okay. Now in television we can watch many things.
For
Television is right. If you want, you can write. You can write any game's name also, football, cricket, or whatever you want. Television also you can write.
मूवी।
Yes, that also you can write.
TV
Watching
serial।
movie. Tarak Mehta.
टीवी
सर
तारक मेहता का उल्टा।
A few peacocks were observing dash inside their cage. तो peacock के cage में lion नहीं होगा. So give some sensible answer.
lion।
Again.
People।
पीपल।
Peacock.
Peacock के cage में अंदर people जाएंगे. What are you saying?
Tree.
ट्री।
उसके cage में अंदर trees होंगे.
हाँ। पानी, पानी, water, water, water।
Yes, that's okay. See, plants if you say it's okay. Tree उसके cage में कहाँ से अंदर जाएंगे?
सर क्या पता?
How is it possible? You are. Let's see. Shifa.
insects.
Hello.
Let Shifa, you complete it. Then you tell us. We will continue.
जल्दी पूरा कर दो शिफा.
Yes, fast. हो गया?
Tell
Okay.
you, Puru.
The goldsmith had polished dash yesterday.
Her shoes.
अरे goldsmith,
Her
goldsmith, goldsmith.
I have a goldsmith has polished. એ હું બોલો છો તને ખબર છે?
Do you know the meaning of goldsmith?
No.
Sunar. A person who makes gold articles.
Goldsmith has polished diamond.
Yes, diamond you can write diamond or the necklace, whatever you want.
Sir.
Diamond.
Wait. Yes, Mariam.
Good.
You can write diamond also.
Sir,
The
हमारी
jewelers have
बच्ची
finalized the dash very smoothly. Here also you can write same answer, the necklace, but here let us write the ring. Because the jewelers, you know the meaning of jewelers, right?
A bracelet. Yes, sir. Bracelet. Earrings.
Earrings
the
also
what?
you can write nose ring.
The what?
The makeup.
Watch, but watch I don't think so. वो थोड़ी ज्वेलरी में आएगा. ये सब ज्वेलरी में थोड़ी आएगा. ज्वेलरी में.
No. Bracelet आएगा ना?
Hair belt.
Makeup लिख सकते हैं. Hairband. Sir.
Hair belt.
Hairband? No. Why hairband कहाँ से आएगा ज्वेलरी में?
Yes,
कुछ
sir.
भी. Okay, next. A couple of interpreters submitted dash in the morning. So what are interpreters? What is their work? To translate. They are translators actually.
Sir, interpreter means
Bags.
Interpreters are the translators. A person who interprets, especially one who translates the orally, जो speech को translate करते हैं into sign language.
Head speech. Speech.
Okay, but
Wow,
speech
sir, wow.
is
Speech.
actually called the draft in formal language. So we are writing draft. Means
Sir, graph means
वही
Sir,
बात
वो
हुई
आप
ना.
ले सकते हैं.
Wait. See, all of you are speaking together sometimes. Yes, who asked?
Sir, ये draft था.
Yes, it is like what do you say? Piece of writing, you can say.
Okay.
Kind of.
Okay, sir.
Screenshot if you want to
Okay,
take.
sir.
Written, sir. No need to take screenshot.
Now, here we complete this chapter. So we complete our syllabus also for first test. But now, if you remember, in lesson number 1 we had left it half.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Chapter 1. कहाँ से बाकी रखा था?
2 मिनट. सर मैं बताती हूँ.
Sir, don't.
sir,
From here.
exercise 4 तक ही करवाया, फिर 5.
Yes, sir. 5, 6, 7
So,
बाकी है.
if you
सब
have
बाकी है.
read the heading of exercise 5, 6, 7, 8, you know what most important thing in
Convert
your
the
textbook.
simple sentence.
One of the most important things, it will come in your 9th standard. इसलिए मैंने अभी नहीं करवाया. Now I am going to teach you. But this is the base for your 9th and 10th. So next time whenever I have the lecture, you will not be absent. You have to attend the lecture. I am going to show the video. From that video also I will explain. This is the next exercise, simple sentences into compound sentences. But before we start this exercise, I will spend one lecture for explanation. But for this I am going to explain. इतना समझ लेना कि simple से compound करना है. Then from simple to complex. See, next is change from simple to complex. So you will not be able to understand if you are not attentive in the next lecture. I will make it as easy as possible, but you have to promise me that you will attend the whole lecture attentively. The next lecture, whichever
Yes,
I have,
sir.
and
Okay,
tell
sir.
all the students, those who are not present today.
English lecture you explain. I am present in every lecture. Sir.
Right,
Present are
Sir,
many.
मैं सब last
सर आपका
Yes,
लेक्चर
sir. Okay.
कब है?
Bye, sir. Have a
What?
nice
Wait,
day.
wait, wait.
सर आपका
Bye,
लेक्चर
sir.
कब है?
Monday,
It is
Monday.
on Monday. Monday is holiday. Sorry.
Monday. You, sir?
You
Monday
don't
is
know?
holiday?
Bye. No.
No,
Announce नहीं किया?
No.
no, sir.
Yes.